Today we're taking a quick tour of our Avonlea. The Avonlea is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,280 square foot home with a ton of features, so let's dive in. This home features 2x6 sidewalls versus your typical site-built home having a 2x4 exterior wall. This improves both the energy efficiency due to having R19 rather than R11 in the sidewalls for insulation, and it also strengthens the home structure. The Avonlea is also built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. This home also comes with an upgraded metal roof that will last longer and should have far less maintenance than a shingle roof. Our Avonlea is also built with spruce lumber construction rather than pine. What does that mean? Spruce is a harder wood than pine and it performs better. The home is also built with number 1 or 2 grade lumber in its construction. That not only strengthens the structure of the home, but also helps the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls and ceilings and floors a little straighter. This home is also equipped with croft windows that are far greater in energy efficiency and a higher quality window and will last much longer than your standard windows. This home also comes with a modern built-in electric fireplace, upgraded trim package, and upgraded kitchen appliances. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional as well. You can select different siding, different roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, paints, appliances, and many more options. Our Avonlea is also very customizable, so if you need more space, need to add a bedroom or 2 bedrooms, need to maybe add a bathroom, or some other features that you might want to move around or add, it is very customizable and can easily be done. We can also customize the exterior of the home. We have many different options for the exterior dormers, roof pitches, and etc. We can really doll this thing up on the inside and outside. There are many other options that you can add to your home package as well, such as a garage or a basement. Even your utilities can be included.
At Family Dream Homes, we make home ownership easy.
Financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home as well. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website.
Please visit us online at familydreamhomes.com or come by one of our locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. At Family Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest prices, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family.